Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2005 UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the December 2004 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. So the December 2004 question is, study the following graph and answer the questions. This is the graph. Here in x direction 1988 the year was represented. 1988, 1989, 1990, 1991, 1992 and 1993. This is also a bar diagram chart. And in the y direction it is represented in lakh of bottles. So in 1998 three types of bottles are sold, that is dewdrop, cool sip and pep-up. In 1989 it is also the three bottles are sold. In 1990 is also, and so on. So this is the bar diagram, and using this bar chart we solve the question. First question is, in which year was the sale of pep-up is the maximum? 1990, 1992, 1993 and none of the above. In which year was the sale of pep-up is the maximum? The pep-up is represented by this blue bar chart. So in 1988 the pep-up sale is 30 lakh. In 1989 the pep-up sale is 35 lakh. 1990 the pep-up sale is 30 lakh. 1991 the pep-up sale is 25 lakh. In 1992 the pep-up sale is 20 lakh. And in 1993 the pep-up sale is 20 lakh. The question is, in which year was the sale of pep-up is maximum? In this diagram we saw that the pep-up sale is maximum in 1989. Okay, 35 lakh. So 1989 was none of the option. So none of the above is the answer. Okay. So the right answer is none of the above, because in 1990 the pep-up sale is 30 lakh. In 1992 the pep-up sale is 20 lakh. In 1993 the pep-up sale is 20 lakh. In 1989 the pep-up sale is maximum, that is 35 lakh, which is not present in this option. So our correct answer is none of the above. Okay. So first question was solved. Second question is, in the case of which soft drink was the average annual sale maximum during the period 1988 to 1993? So this is the bar diagram and this is the question. This is the answer. Option A, pep-up only. Option B, cool sip only. Option C, cool sip and dewdrop. Option D, pep-up and dewdrop. Pep-up and dewdrop. So the question is, in the case of which soft drink was the average annual sale maximum during the period 1988 to 1993? So how we calculate the maximum average annual sale? In 1988, the dewdrop sale is 10 lakh. In 1989, the dewdrop sale is 15 lakh. 1990, the dewdrop sale is 25 lakh. 1991, the dewdrop sale is 15 lakh. In 1992, the dewdrop sale is 30 lakh. And in 1993, the dewdrop sale is 25 lakh. If we add all of these year, that is 10 lakh plus 15 lakh plus 25 lakh plus 15 lakh plus 30 lakh plus 25 lakh, and it is divided by 6 because here the year is represented, here is 6. 1998, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 year of sale is represented in this graph. So how can we calculate the maximum average? Average sale is calculated by, if we add all of these years sale and it is divided by 6, then we get the average annual sale. So in this way we can calculate the dewdrop average sale. In the same way we can calculate the cool ship average sale. So this is the procedure to calculate the average annual sale. So what is the option? Option A is PPAP only, option B is cool ship only, option C is cool ship and dewdrop, option D is PPAP and dewdrop. So how we solve this question we saw in the next slide. Solution. So here is the solution. How we solve for PPAP? Year wise, in 1988 it is 30 lakh sale. In 1989 it is 35 lakh to 1993. Each and every year we add, first of all we add this number 30 plus 35 plus 30 plus 25 plus 20 plus 20. For PPAP. Then this addition is divided by number of year. Number of year is 6. So this is divided by 6. And the average sale is 26.6. When we consider for cool ship, we add 25 lakh plus 7 lakh. 25 lakh is for 1988. 7 lakh is sale in 1989. In 1990 it is 20 lakh. 1991 it is also 20 lakh. 1992 it is 25 lakh. And in 1993 it is 30 lakh. So first of all we add this number and then this addition is divided by number of year, that is 6, and we get the average sale, annual sale. For cool ship it was 21.1, and for dewdrop if we calculate for 1988 the dewdrop sale is 10 lakh. In 1989 the dewdrop sale is 15 lakh. Then in 1990 the dewdrop sale is 25 lakh. In 1991 the dewdrop sale is 15 lakh. 1992 the dewdrop sale is 30 lakh, and in 1993 the dewdrop sale is 25. So if we add all of these number and then it is divided by 6, we get the 20, which is the average annual sale of dewdrop. So which are the maximum average annual sale? That is PPAP only. Okay, so option A is the right answer. So in this way we get the average annual sale. The next question is, What was the approximate percent drop in the sale of PEPUP in 1990 over its sale in 1989? The option is 5. Option A is 5, option B is 12, option C is 14, option D is 20. So what was the approximate percent drop in the sale of PEPUP in 1990 over its sale in 1989? 1989, the sale of PEPUP is 35 lakh, and in 1990 the sale of PEPUP is 30 lakh. So the percent was dropped. In 1989 it was 35 lakh, and in 1990 it was 30 lakh. So how we calculate the percent drop in the sale of PEPUP in 1990 over its sale in 1989? In next slide we saw the calculation. So how can we calculate the percent drop? We can calculate the percent drop in this way. That is, in 1989 the PEPUP sale is 35 lakh, and in 1990 the PEPUP sale is 30 lakh. So initial value is 35, and it is drop in 1990, that is 30 lakh. So initial minus final value, 35 minus 30 divided by initial value, that is 35, into 100, because we calculate the percentage of the value, and that is equal to 14.28, which is nearly equal to 14. So the right answer is option C, 14. So what was the approximate percent drop in the sale of PEPUP in 1990 over its sale in 1989? That is 14. Option C. So in this way we can easily solve the data interpretation part. Okay. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.